from Tajmotormedics. I've got a BMW 7 Series here on a 2007 plate. If this is something you've got and you want to reset the service information, I'm just going to show you how to do that exactly. This is what the car looks like. It's an old school, but it's brilliant, quite spacious as well. So what you got to do first is, I'm going to show you the information I'm going to reset, right? So if I start the car up, it's got a remote. Slot the remote in, key, then start the car up. As you can see right there, service is minus 4,200 miles, 34 months. Now if I press the menu button and then I scroll to my, so basically not top but slightly in an angle, but push it that way in, and then scroll to my right. That's it, onboard data is available now. So as you can see, if I click on this, wait a minute, if I click on this and I scroll down to brake fluid, I've done the brake fluid change and I've done the oil change as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reset the brake fluid and the oil. But if you wanted to reset the stat periodic inspection, click on it, scroll down, like scroll this to the right, you get to this, when that's highlighted, click on it, and then you can change dates to whatever you want. So I'm going to go back to 11, press OK, then you get to the year, same thing here, press OK, and then I will go back, press menu. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to reset it. Basically you got to press that button right there. So if I switch the ignition off, take the keys out, slot the keys back in, switch the ignition on, I press this button once and then press and hold the button. Now as you can see there, it says what you want to get done. So if I press it one more time, I do the engine oil, press and hold the button, and on the right hand side you'll get the information. I then press release the button, press the button again, go on to reset, and then press and hold the button. Now reset engine oil is okay now. So that's done. So I now need to go to brake fluid, do the same thing again, press and hold the button. On the right screen, as you can see there, you've got the information. Click once and then hold the button again. That should now reset that as well. So you can see now on the right hand side, if I just zoom in a little bit, now all the information there is in months and time and everything else. So that's all done. So I might now need to do is switch the ignition off, zoom out a little bit, switch the ignition back on, start the car up. As you can see now, service is in 19,000 miles. And I'll just go back here again, go back, do the same thing again, data. Now that was a lot quicker. Now you can see microfilter, vehicle check, engine oil, and the brake fluid, everything is done. Right, that's all it was on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, we do have a playlist for BMWs, do check it out, especially the newer BMWs. We've got service reset, tire pressure reset, everything on that as well. And if you found this video useful and it's helped you a lot, don't forget to like it and do subscribe to our YouTube channel and share it where possible. Thanks for watching and goodbye.